You both did this. Really?
Who wanted this? Don't you start yelling at me. I know you were both in on this.
What happened here? Are you blaming the dog?
Who was this? Are you serious?
What happened in here? Who did this? Which one of you? Was it you? Oh, you're saying it was the dog? You both look pretty guilty to me.
Who did this? Don't blame the dog. I saw that.
You did this, didn't you?
Nope, not me. Her.
Hey! Oh, she's lying.